Today we got a 2013 Nissan Versa Note. In order to get this radio out, you're gonna have to get some sort of thin plastic or radio removal. You can order from Amazon, or you can use a flathead, but you have to be careful not damage the rubber or the plastic. So here, what you're gonna have to do there.
About 6 3/4 or 6 1/4, no 6 1/2 in there. Or 5 1/4 in there.
Start off from here, a little bit, pull it out like that, same as over here. Probably the easiest way to get it out, and then like so, and then you can unclip those, or you can just take those screw, the 4 Phillips right there, 1 2 and then 3 4. Okay, one thing that you're gonna have to be careful is not remove this airbag plug in the back of these, and then accidentally turn on the ignition. If you do that, your airbag light will come on, so do not do that. Do not remove the harness, the plug. So you can unplug this radio right here, the harness, by pushing these right here, push it in, and then pull it out. Same as the other side. Here it is, the back of this. This is the antenna right here. Harness that I'm using is RAP NI7552. Exact like this. So just plug it to the radio, like so. I'm doing a Pioneer right here. It's a Pioneer MVH S622BS. It's got a Bluetooth, and then just match the same colors on this one, and you're ready to go. And this car does not have a built-in amplifier, so I don't have to hook up the blue and white. When I install the mounting kit, I usually don't be looking at the manual. Like right here's a manual. I'm not gonna try to do that. I'm just gonna go straight to use the old factory radio and kind of look at it. I know this is the right mounting kit. It is 9624. That's the mounting kit model number. On this part, it will say XR, meaning it's on the right side. So what I do, I come like this, and I see which one I need to keep. So basically, I'm gonna need to keep that top one and the bottom one right there. So basically this one and this one. So I'm gonna break all of these out, everything out except this two. That's how I do it. I mean, you can look at it, the manual, and see how to install it, the instruction manual, but I don't have time to read all that. So that's how you do a quick
It's connected to my phone.